In this video, you're going to see a step-by-step process of me forging a pair of custom iron brackets that are going to hold up a fireplace mantle that my dad built for his clients. The rectangular stock that I'm using is 2" by 3" solid steel, and here I'm just putting a beveled cut on it to give it a little bit more of a decorative look, and then I'm about to put it in the forge to square the cut up a little bit with my hammer and give it a little bit of texture as well. Now that I got the pieces welded together, I'm putting them in a deburring machine, and what that's going to do is kind of clean the parts up and knock off any forged scale, kind of polish things up a little bit so that I can put a clear coat on top of it after that. So now we're in the client's house, my dad and I. You can see he's kind of tracing out the profile of the bracket. And what we're about to do is kind of cut and chisel our way through that stone and then embed the brackets into the stone and mortar around it. So for this mantle, we're going to use a combination of a modified French cleat as well as the brackets themselves to help hold this mantle up. And as you can see, here's how the mantle and the brackets turned out. The clients love the way it looks and will likely be doing some more work for them in the future. My dad and I often collaborate together on woodworking and metalworking projects, and it was great to do another one with him.